Hello all, this is Swati Maurya. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you all, I'm going to join Amazon as an SDE intern for 6 months. So this video is not about how I prepare for get into the Amazon and my DSA preparation. We make a separate video of it. But this video is dedicated to the gifts and the welcome kit or the IT assets and the MacBook that is given by Amazon to all the interns joining this year. So let's unbox it and so this is what I get by Amazon. This is a IT assets box and this is a welcome kit, and this would be a keys or UB keys that does come with MacBook. Finally! I have no words to say on this, how happy I am from this all, and previously I never received this kind of product.